All right, so you want to know how I made 10 grand using AI tools step by step? Trust me, it's not rocket science. I started with almost zero coding skills, just a laptop and a curiosity for what AI could actually do. Let me walk you through exactly what I did. First up, I spent a weekend playing around with different AI platforms, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and a handful of automation tools like Zapier. My goal was to find a problem people would pay to solve, and use AI to make that solution faster, cheaper, or just way cooler. Before we dive in, make sure to stay and watch the whole video to get the real facts about how to use AI tools to make $10,000. And if you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. After some serious rabbit hole diving, I landed on content creation for small businesses. A lot of them struggle with social media, blog posts, and newsletters. So, I built a simple service. You send me your business info, and I'll use AI to generate weekly content for you. No fuss, no long contracts. I put together a basic website using a no-code builder, wrote a few sample articles with ChatGPT, and made some visuals with Midjourney. Then, I started reaching out to local businesses and posting in a couple of Facebook groups. Within the first week, I got 2 paying clients, each at $250 a month. It wasn't life-changing, but it was proof the idea worked. To scale things up, I automated as much as I could. I set up email templates, used Zapier to connect forms to my inbox, and built a simple workflow that let me generate, tweak, and deliver AI-powered content in just a few clicks. As word spread, more businesses signed up. I raised my rates, added custom graphics as an upsell, and even launched a mini-course on how business owners could use AI themselves. By month 4, I'd crossed $10,000 in revenue, all from leveraging AI tools that anyone can access right now. Here's the thing. You don't need to be a genius or a coder. You just need to spot an opportunity, experiment with AI, and actually take action. So, if you're watching this thinking, could I do this too? The answer is yes. Start small, stay curious, and use AI as your secret weapon. Who knows? The next $10K story could be yours.